37-year-old man chased and shot in Christiana, Manchester, pronounced dead at a Spalding Percy Jr. Hospital. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police are probing the murder of a man who was shot dead by 3 gunmen in Brockley District, Christiana, Manchester on Friday evening. Police named the deceased as 37-year-old Lennox Ashley, otherwise called Kenny, a delivery driver and resident of Brockley. Reports from the Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit said that at about 6:45 p.m., Ashley was at a cook shop when the gunmen entered and ordered food. They then attacked Ashley, who tried to escape. He was staged and shot by his attackers. Ashley was taken to the Spalding Percy Jr. Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.